In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable tick replay in NinjaTrader. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so tick replay allows NinjaTrader to process historical market data tick by tick, which can be super useful for indicators and strategies that rely on the exact sequence of trades, such as volume-based stalls. Now, the first thing we need to do is enable the tick replay. So open up NinjaTrader, and then we need to go ahead and come to the top of the application here. Then click onto Tools. Then click into Settings. Now inside of here, click onto the Market Data tab. Now to the right here, look for under Historical, Show Tick Replay. Go ahead and enable that. Make sure to hit Apply to enable it on your chart. Now, once we've done that, we need to go ahead and turn the tick replay on for your chart. So go ahead and open up any chart you want to use. Right click anywhere on the chart. And then once you right click onto it, we want to click on the option for data series. So look for data series. Here it is here, kind of near the top of the options here. And then find the tick replay option. So here it is here under data series, tick replay. Go ahead and enable that. Click apply again. Now you might get a warning here. So it says, don't show this message again. Click apply, click OK, and then your tick replay is going to be enabled on your chart.